Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the G30 530D M Sport Saloon. Presented in the bluestone metallic, and alongside that it does of course feature a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and included in that is a brand new set of the 20-inch 795M style alloy wheels presented in frozen black. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2018 18 plate. We've got the superb LED headlamps currently just set on their side light position, so as you can see you do still get the lovely LED angel eyes. Down the side of the car, as well as that fantastic exterior colour, you can see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching side bars, and sitting very nicely behind those alloys you can see the M Sport Plus brakes. Moving further down the side of the vehicle, you can see that not only that is a very nice exterior colour and it's all very clean and tidy, you also get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And we shall now show you the interior, which with all of the 5 Series and no exceptions with this one is a very nice place to be, thanks to it being illuminated by the ambient lighting, which is all interchangeable. You can see on this one we have got the black leather, which has got the part electric movement, so the bottom of the seat bases and the rear position is moved via electric and the electric lumbar option. It also comes with heated seats, and we shall of course explore more of the interior details shortly. The rear seats are an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and we've got a lovely darkened M Sport headlining of course, and again you can see how standout that ambient lighting feature really is. Moving round to the rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic frozen black alloy wheels, and at the back of the car we've opted to go for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin finish rear diffuser, as you can see there. And of course with all of the 5 Series you do get an absolutely huge boot space, as you can see there, and of course it is all very clean and tidy. And we'll close that down, head round to the driver's side to again show you how nice this bluestone metallic works with all of the additions we've made here. And of course the very eye-catching alloy wheels really do finish that lovely exterior styling and colour combination off very nicely. Before heading on inside the car, again show you how much space you'll find in the rear of a 5 Series. Very practical saloon vehicle. Moving through into the interior, we're immediately greeted by both the digital cockpit and of course that humongous touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. So starting the car up, you can see currently it looks a fairly normal screen to what you may be used to. However, once sport mode is engaged, you get a lovely red glow from everything, and we've also got the M Sport logo there, just to remind us that we are of course in an M Sport model. And you of course also see there we get a digital speedo, so of course that'll again change your interior experience completely. Moving over now to the professional wide navigation and media screen. As I've mentioned, it is all touchscreen, so using the Satnav is a real pleasure, thanks to having that touchscreen capability. As you can see there, you can pinch zoom much like your smartphone devices. We can also scroll along, and we can simply touch, and we can set destinations to the point we've tapped into, alongside still having our iDrive scroll wheel down here in the central console. So of course if you're not a fan of touchscreens, it's not a problem. Backing out to the main menu, we'll explore some of the other features and functions. It's got Connected Drive Plus to keep you connected using the online search, news and weather apps. Bluetooth for both telephone and of course audio, as you can see there. And we've of course also got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, and of course USB and Bluetooth inputs, which we've already explored. The vehicle, which you will have already seen, has covered just over 42,000 miles, does come with full comprehensive BMW service history, and again we can show you all of that now. The next service is due in 7,000 miles time, and as you can see there, all of that service history is now on screen. The last service was carried out at 32515, and that was for a full service including all major filters, which is great news of course, because it means the next service is going to be for a very basic oil and oil filter change. So once again, thank you for taking the time to watch our walk around video of another fantastic example of a G30 5 Series. If you do of course want some further information and want to get in touch with ourselves here at Your Next Car, all of the contact information is always down below in the description. Most of all though guys, we really look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thanks again and goodbye.